In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit stages in Zoho CRM. Whether you're just starting with CRM or looking to fine-tune your sales process, understanding how to customize your sales pipeline is essential. So, let's dive in. First, we need to navigate to the Setup section of Zoho CRM. Once you're there, look for Customization and then select Modules and Fields. This is where you'll find all the modules that you can customize, and our focus today will be on the Deals module. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on the Deals module, you will see various layout options. Select the layout you want to edit, and this will bring you to the Layout Editor where you can make modifications. In the Layout Editor, you'll notice a Settings icon, represented by the three-dot symbol, which is usually located next to the Stage field. Clicking on this icon will give you several options, but today we're going to focus on Stage Probability Mapping. Upon selecting Stage Probability Mapping, a pop-up window will appear. This is the area where all the magic happens. Here, you can tailor the sales stages to fit your business's specific needs. If you wish to rename any of the existing stages, simply double-click on the stage name and type in your desired name. This allows you to personalize the terminology to better align with how your team speaks about sales processes internally. Adding new stages is just as straightforward. You'll see an option to plus add stage. Click on that, give your new stage a name, and then set the probability percentage, along with defining the deal and forecast categories. This enables you to capture more nuanced data about where each deal stands and to predict future sales with greater accuracy. You might find that some stages are no longer needed. In such cases, you can delete them, although it's important to note that system-defined stages like won and lost cannot be removed. These built-in stages are essential for reporting purposes. Reordering stages to reflect the right progression of your sales process is also possible and quite intuitive. Simply drag and drop the stages into the sequence that best matches the flow of your deals. This ensures that your pipeline is set up exactly as you want it, providing clarity and improving team efficiency. Once you're satisfied with all the changes and you've tailored your stages to fit your needs, don't forget to click Save. This finalizes all the changes and updates your CRM settings, making your alterations live and ready for your team to start using. And there you have it. A concise way to edit stages in Zoho CRM to ensure your sales pipeline is as effective as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes navigating your CRM a bit easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful CRM tips.